In this problem, we have to show that the length of subtangent is constant and the length of subnormal is y square by a when the point x comma y on the curve y is equal to b into e to the power of x by a is given. So here first we will write let p of x comma y is any point on the curve. The given curve is y is equal to b into e to the power of x by a. Take it as 1. Now differentiating 1 with respect to x. Differentiating 1 with respect to x. So derivative of y becomes dy by dx is equal to b is constant, so we will write before the derivative b into d by dx of e to the power of x by y. So dy by dx is equal to b into, we know that the x by it is a, x by a not y, this is a, b into derivative of e power of x is e power of x. Similarly, derivative of e to the power of x by a is x by a. The coefficient of x is 1 by a. So we will write into 1 by a. So dy by dx is equal to b ones are b by a into e to the power of x by a. This is our second equation. Now we have to find the slope. So to find the slope, we have to substitute the point x comma y. The slope is denoted by m is equal to dy by dx at the point p is equal to x comma y is equal to b by a e to the power of x by a. So wherever x and y is there, we have to substitute the given point. So in this curve, we have only x. So in place of x, when we substitute x, so our slope is m is equal to b by a e to the power of x by a. This is same value. Here we are getting, when we after substituting the point, again we are getting the same term b by a into e to the power of x by a. Take it as 3. Now we have to find out its length of subnormal and subtangent. Length of subtangent and length of subnormal. We have to show that its length of subtangent is a constant. Constant term means here we have to get the variable constant term a. And when we find it subnormal, length of subnormal, it must be equal to y square by a. So we have the general formula to find length of subtangent. Here we make a side heading. We will write the side heading length of subtangent is equal to y by m. Y by m. Y by m means y is the given curve, b into x e to the power of x, b into e to the power of x by a. So in the numerator we will write b into e to the power of x by a divided by m. M is b by a into e to the power of x by a. Now we will write its reciprocal, b into e to the power of x by a into its denominator is a by b into e to the power of x by a. Similar terms, here we will cancel the similar terms. Now the constant term is a. Here we will write it's a constant. Now length of subnormal. Length of subnormal is y into m. Here we will multiply the curve and the slope. The curve is b into e to the power of x by a, and the slope is b by a into e to the power of x by a. So here we have b into b square, b into e to the power of x by a. 2 times we have, so we will write whole square, this term into this term, divided by a. From 1 we have this is equal to y. Here b into e to the power of x by a is y. So we can write this is equal to y square by a from 1. From 1, y is equal to b into e to the power of x by a. So b into e to the power of x by a whole square becomes y square. So this is our length of subnormal.